Hello. Today I will show you how to install Drupal 9 in your local computer and also to create a simple website within maybe 15 minutes. Okay, first one, you need to download XMPP, a website apachefriends.org. You can download either version 8 or 7. I download portable version. You after download, you unzip to your shared D drive on the root. For my case D. Then you download Drupal 9. Unzip under hot dock. Rename the Drupal 9. So okay. So my D already XMPP. My hot talks here is Drupal 9 version of 9.4.8. So I can rename the 9. A little easier when I type in, put Drupal 9. Okay. So now I need to start my server local. I use the portable version I download. So run is administrator. So I start Apache, start my SQL database, then I put localhost. So my localhost will be go to XMP. He put a dashboard. He said my version. PHP information. It's and I need to go to. If I go to Drupal site just now, I need a long host. Type Drupal 9. So I need the localhost is on the folder doc, hot doc, HT doc here. So Drupal 9. So I put the Drupal 9 here. It takes some time to run. Wait. So same time I'm going to create a database. Okay, to Drupal 9 you need to choose the language. But before I install Drupal 9, I need to go to I need to go to PHP my admin here. It's a forbidden. The address is wrong. Should type my admin. So my localhost PHP my admin. Here, I have installed some before, so I need to create a new one. New website. I need a new one. So I need user accounts. I create a new one. create add user account. Because I website Drupal 9, a database same Drupal 9. Here should be localhost and the password. And the password should remember. Then here important, you create database with the same name and grant all privilege. Here you create database, a user account same time. Global privilege, maybe put check all. So I can just go to create. So I will create my Drupal 9 database here. It's empty. It's empty here. Empty. So I need here install a new one. Continue. Just standard. Here I said I have a PHP OP cache. Just need to enable. But now it's in my local computer. I think I just run the OK without open cache. The database base I created just now is could Drupal 9. The username is the same, so the password I created just now. Save or continue. So it's running, installing. So again, it's installing. So the basic step, you need to download Drupal, put in your XMP hot docs. Then rename is so I use Drupal 9 here. So it's the website here. Then I install Drupal 9 here. Then I need to create a database and the username. So usually I created is I create a username with the same database name created, localhost. Now it's installing now. So for Drupal, the most important is for us compared to WordPress, Drupal is the module, theme, all the free. So in order to in the future upgrade Drupal, it's better to use less module installed better. So I just put them. Okay. Because here cannot send the email my local I didn't use. I just put any name here. Site maintenance account. I put admin. But password. Because my one is still testing, so I don't need a strong password. Check for update automatically, receive email, no email, because I didn't install server. Okay, country, default country. It's Bangkok is already, so I don't need here, save and continue. So I just close my database here. Okay, here the site is running. For now, I need here manage. You need to create some contents. So I look at the structure. I got two types. Structure under content types. So we can put the edit content type, or put the shortcut here next time. Okay. Content type. So I have two kinds: article, basic page. Basic page about us. I can create a menu. So I create two kinds. If add articles news, so manage field. Let's see. Got one image here, but you can add more image if you add field. Just only one image. I want to first, the image should be first, one body, then more image. I put a new field. I put a image, more image. Okay. More photo, maybe put here to level. Okay. Here should be, I put a, after you add the text, a couple more photo. Photo I have length 10, allow 10. Save. So the filter setting 10, edit. So here allowed extension, file category, maybe this is okay. Put date customer year and month, maybe it's go okay. Max image resolution, you want to don't want, for me the maximum, maybe the weight is high. I just put something like this. Minimum no need, so I use enable alternative field. Later as a caption. Enabled. Not required is okay. Save. Now I have some field here. Manage form display. Form display when you're editing. So I just put the same image up the body and the more photo under body, more photo under. So I want editing and say the title, image, body, photo. I save. The form is for editing. Manage display, for display. So the first one, the image body. The more image under the body. Here, the label. We don't need label heading. Image original. We put some image size can be original because I already put the maximum. So you can put it smaller. Link to original image. Or just put the original, for. So I didn't change anything. This one is enough. Save. Okay, now I have a content type. Just now, content type. I just modified the article is news. So I have two kinds, fixed image. So I just add some contents. Okay, add contents here. Add contents already short. So I put the first one, basic page about, create about page, about us. Okay, this one we just put some text here. I'll put a menu. This one about in the menu. Provide a menu link about us. So just here, you need to change the address. So you put the about us, maybe something like this. Then you save. This will be in the menu. So we have about us this page already. So we'll create another page. The shortcut I add content. Now add a news and updates. So the news. Okay, I say a new website. Okay, put some photo here or try. I don't know if I have photo or not, but I try here. Okay, just put a photo here. You can put more photo here. More photo can be up to 10 photo. So we'll just save. You can put more photo here. This should be okay. Just save. Now the website, our home page is only the news here about, and this actually is not so good. If a blog page, okay, but I want a website with you need to create use block and view. Now I try to make nicely. First one use create a view, manage. So on the structure, I do view. I make a view. I want to make view about new view about news. The article, anything from article have an image. I want display nicely. I put the news and updates. No, this one not too much. I put simple news. Just can create a page, but first one I create a block. I create a block first, because block I will use for front page. Front page maybe basically is block and a few. So use a few, create block, save and edit. So my block were based on, I want to display is a photo, and on the photo have some text. So I can put lastly under format display. Here's the field title, but also I put the first image. I have an image, so the field image first. Okay, add image. Image should be style not so big. Front page 440. Link to contents. So when you click the image in the contents, okay, the field have image and title. I need to arrange the title become down. So apply an image first, then the title. Then criteria, I need to add criteria. It's about the basis the type. I need the type based on content type. Okay, not about the page. Content type, anything from article. Content type is one of the articles. Okay, then okay, apply. So we got the criteria must publish, content type article. Then formatting, how does it display formatting? Format a table. I want to create one block table. Okay, table then have setting. Actually, I want to put one. Here's a column. How many column? Column. Put same column. Same. So I put this one column image. So this image and title, the table, email column. I want to group with one. Let me see. It's like this. No, this is not. I want this. I don't want this. I want image and title first. So maybe here something's wrong. It's table. Setting. How about content title? I put all as image, same column. So the field image field title under the same column, and this one's no need. So put same column, same box. So the column content image first, content title the same column, not two. So I apply. Just only. As this is table, it is like a box, only one column, so something like this. But I want my new website should go down, should go to next slide. So is a content app. Edit fields, row class. Let me see. Here's about image and our text. It's about image and title. Let me see table here. Put them under the same. Let me see. Oh, this is not so good. Not so good here. Lots of group now. Maybe I change to grade, maybe. Unformatted. Unformatted is okay, just normal. Unformatted is okay. Okay, I just save. So this is a few. I created a few displays block. So now I need to put this block in the front page. So I'll go back, go to structure, block layout. Then I need to add a new block. Here's a default display the theme. So under the content, I will display under content. I will add content. This page. Content below. They have content below. Content, main content. So I just put main content under. Add the block I created just now, news. So I created just now myself. I put here then as so. Maybe I can put 3. Override title. You want title a lot of news. I put some news and events or updates. So I put together. So only display the front page only. Front. So if you want only front page, you say only front. You put front. Only display front page. Okay. I go to save. So this is my local my website. So my website is have about page, and this one you click image, you will go to the site. Okay, but it's still not so good. I want don't want this one fix. So now I don't have some contents, only I'll put about us. This is the first page, maybe front page. So it's node 1 activity about us. So I can configuration. Maybe I create one page is fixed page for front page. I just create the contents here, add contents, basic. I shall put a front page. Welcome to my website. Okay. No contents, just front page. Just save. So this is node 3. I don't remember clicking on node 3. So I will go to configuration. As node 3 become front page. So as node 3 become front page fixed. So I'll go to my home page. My whole page should now become welcome to my website. I don't want this one. I just want to display dynamic anytime I play. So now this one is so I remove this. Then you go to structure on the block. In the block where there's have a content type, content title. So here you can disable this one. Content type hide for front page. Hide anything on the front page. There's no title. Okay, then save. So this let me say go to home. Now, because now this front page is fixed. Now my content is named, so you can add more article news or display. So this one become a very simple website. You got the about us. Then you got the dynamic news display as image. So this news events. Later you can define display as a table or the column, 3 column. You have more 3, 4, 5, and more. But for now, I think this website is ready now. Of course, you can change the appearance, the theme. But for now, we just use the default theme. Maybe later change some color. Because we don't want to change anything coding. We just put a website. Is just easier than WordPress and for free. So that's Drupal 9. Most important, you should know the block and the view and the content types. The block and the view you can make your home page, first page, front page nicely. So then I think this are my simple website. That's all.